Jake,
what's up?
This is where they were. You see all the feathers, and you see them just like eating the cobs off down here?
Yeah. Yeah, we were flushing teal at about...
Yeah, we kicked up probably 25, 30 teal. They're gonna be close. This is gonna be awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. 10 a.m. kill the lamb, pull the lion, find some water for the elephant. Do it. Do it. Smoke my last bag. The big top, throw down the sawdust. We don't open till tomorrow. Step right up, we got beer for the bearded lady and the Siamese twins are into opium, and the trapeze guys are all high on cocaine that they buy from a guy that used to drive the train. We got water for the elephants. Everybody knows the greatest party on earth is the circus down on Ring Ring Road.
Oh my God! This is insane. The dog don't know what to go for. Can we shoot?
Shoot that Drake.
Okay.
Wait for Drake.
Can we shoot?
Just hold on.
Well, the tattoo man is making out with Snake Lady just to piss off the human cannonball that she's been dating. The clown got wasted, now he's throwing his shoes at a bear on a bike with a bottle of booze. The tightrope walker is too damn high. Welcome to a freak show Friday night. We got beer for the bearded lady and the Siamese twins are into opium, and the trapeze guys are all high on cocaine that they buy from a guy that used to drive the train. We got water for the elephants. Everybody knows the greatest party on earth is a circus down on Ring Ring Road. Ring Ring Road. Down on Ring Ring Road. We got beer for the bearded lady and the Siamese twins.
Teal right in front of you.
And the trapeze guys are all high on cocaine that they buy from a guy that used to drive the train. We got beer for the bearded lady and the Siamese twins are into opium, and the trapeze.
So obviously we knew this was going to be pretty good. We had no idea it was going to be that. That was
What do you throw a lot?
that was more ducks at 10 feet than I've ever had.
Everybody knows the greatest party on earth is a circus down on Ring Ring Road.
The foam full bodies and the Nomad floaters are lightweight ones without the. We're running them without any sand in there, without the caps in there. So I mean, they're just super lightweight, easy for us to carry back here, and easy for one guy to carry this over his shoulder along with the stuff that he needs, his shells, his calls, and his gun. It just works really well. It's easy to pack it back, and it's easy to get it out of here because now we're gonna have to carry 36 ducks with us too. So it's Nomad floaters, White Rock full bodies. Check them out.
Is that the lightest 24 decoys you ever had under your arm?
I'm pretty sure it's the only 24 decoys I've had underneath my arm.